Facebook scandal. Facebook scandal. Facebook scandal. Facebook scandal. Isn't that? Facebook scandal. Facebook scandal. Yes, you heard me right. Facebook scandal. No, it's not a video of Mark Zuckerberg with his secretary in midnight. That's not the case. What's up YouTube? It's me Nivik from your boy from the Spotlight, and today I'm going to talk about what is actually Facebook scandal and what is all the tweets and status is all about that hashtag delete Facebook. To find out, stay tuned with me. In Facebook, a series of data has been leaked to Cambridge Analytica, a shadowy political consulting firm that did work for the Donald Trump campaign. Last Friday, reporters from the New York Times and the Observer of London told Facebook that Cambridge had retained copies of private data for about 50 million Facebook users. That's a lot, 50 million. Facebook says Cambridge promised in 2015 that the data would be deleted. Facebook responded to the new revelations by banning Cambridge and several of its associates from Facebook. But this week, the controversy surrounding Facebook ties to Cambridge and its handling of private user data more generally has mushroomed. That's a funny thing, guys. Like, look, these are big guns in industry and more technical stuffs, but they are using normal people, common people as their weapons. You see, nowadays deadly weapons are not for wars. Nowadays information is the new deadly weapon. Okay, so if we carry on, then we can see British members of the parliament accused Facebook of misleading them about the breach and asked CEO Mark Zuckerberg to come to the UK to clear up the issue personally. Facebook has scheduled a surprise all-hands meeting to answer employee questions about the controversy. They should actually say everything, because you cannot give the people of the world a shadowy world. They should know a crystal clear answer is all needed right now. The scandal has attracted broad public interest because Cambridge did millions of dollars in political consulting work for Donald Trump's presidential campaign. You see, I was also kind of shocked when I saw that Donald Trump has won the election. But now we can see there is something that has been done to make him win that election. Okay, so we can continue. And the stolen Facebook data as a key part of Trump's digital strategy. It was a really good strategy, I would say. But while the firm's controversial psychological techniques have attracted a lot of attention, there is no reason to doubt that they were actually used in 2016 election. Actually, this time I might say you guys that basically what Cambridge Analytica has done, it was a developer company who used to make applications and digital related data and everything. So what Donald Trump has done, he gave Cambridge Analytica a project that you make my presence, my obligation to everyone that he's a good person and he can do good for your country. So basically what Cambridge Analytica did, Cambridge Analytica gave this contract to a person who is a psychologist and also a developer. So there is a guy called Alexander Kogan. So Cambridge Analytica has given him the contract and also given him 8 lakh US dollar. That's huge money to make his own app and to connect it with Facebook. So connecting with Facebook, what makes people that the application was Your Digital World. Your Digital World was the quiz related application, and you see what we do in our Facebook, we always go to some other related apps and try to play it, especially quiz related apps. That's a very smart move, I guess. So what that app does, that we don't read the policy and terms of any apps, do we? We just open it and just allow. We never read the thing. So that your digital world was designed as it can access your information, which is more than Facebook's policy. Here comes Facebook's part. Facebook has clearly told in its policy and terms that only in emergency basis the information such as your names and Gmails can be taken or tracked. No other information cannot be taken. But in this app has took lots of information such as your phone number, your address, and many things. You will be shocked to know by this app they have access to your friends also, where they live and where they go and what interest they are in. Now I'm making it more simpler for you, that how all this information helped Donald Trump to win the election. It's really simple. Suppose you are a guy who likes playing video games and very fascinated about video games. So if you open your digital world, that so-called app. So if you open that app, what happens is there will be quizzes. So from those quizzes they will understand your behavior, they will understand your characteristics. That's one point. Second point, they can directly go to your account and check everything, that what you are, what kind of person you are, what kind of person you live with, what kind of person you talk, what kind of person you, everything. They can basically just access everything you are doing. So they can easily say that you are into video games. You have also gone into some groups that's related to video games. So what they will do is they will do video games related advertisement towards you. So out of curiosity you will always tap that advertisement since you are interested on that field. So by this strategy they have done that people likes what policies and what features of a government. So they have given that types of advertisements towards the public, and the public kinda gets brainwashed by them, and that's a very smart policy, I would say. So under the guidance of Brad Parscale, the owner of Cambridge Analytica, Trump's digital director in 2016, CA performed a variety of services including decision target audiences for digital advertisements and fundraising appeals, modeling voter turnout, buying 5 million in television ads, and determining where Trump should travel to best drum up support. These were all the policies toward that was given to those people who were linked to that applications. And it is said that almost 5 million people has been trapped like that way, and 5 million people was brainwashed by that way. Such as Trump has said something like we will not allow other country people to come in our country and do business and stuff like this. They have brainwashed 50 million people, and they have taken all the control. And this has been a digital thief, a digital robbery, I would say. However, Special Counsel Robert Mueller, who was investigating the Trump-Russia collusion, reportedly believes the new revelations could help in determining the case. According to the Wall Street Journal, Mueller has requested CA to turn over documents as part of its investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 US election. So what that means is, the investigating officer Robert Mueller said Cambridge Analytica to tell to the world that It was the pressure from Russia. It was not Trump. It was the pressure from Russia to dig out all the information. You see, this is a huge cycle. Everyone is connected to everyone, and it's a real big scandal. And Facebook has really, I don't know why Facebook is into this scandal. I would say Facebook is innocent. That's my opinion. Because Facebook, from the starting, they were a bit on the dump side. They didn't know what's happening to the world. They didn't know what's happening to their own application. So, right now, everyone is giving status and everything that stop Facebook, hashtag delete Facebook. Even the CEO of WhatsApp, Brian Acton, has given hashtag delete Facebook a tweet. So this was all about the scandal, and I hope you have understood what I was trying to say. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment on the comment section below what exactly you felt that this scandal is all about, and subscribe to the Spotlight. Bye. Me Nirvik signing out.